Hey guys, I hope you are doing well. This is Energizer battery, AAA battery, pack 4. Just bought this from my local store here. I like this battery. This is HABOTEST. So we're going to replace the battery. So take 2 of those. The good job of this is got 4 inside, so this is pack of 4. So I bought 2 of those because I use Energizer battery all the time, put it on my remote control and a lot of things. So I just want to replace the battery for this audio meter so that you should be able to use it to measure audio sound accordingly. So this one use 3 of those. So on the right side, the positive is on the bottom, while on the top is negative. The middle one is negative, the bottom one, the positive is on the top. The last but not the least, the left side, positive on the bottom, the negative on top. So just gonna replace this. Then this one, you have negative and positive on top. So we need 1 more those, and this is negative on the top and the positive at the bottom. So then you slide this back up to close it, and you press, you can see, so it's measuring the audio sound within the environment. So this is how to replace this battery, and this is Energizer battery, AAA battery. Thank you.